cooks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the heat shield on the Heco Cookstove. So if you are running a double wall chimney and you are running 12 inches or less, you will require this heat shield. If you do not have this heat shield, then your clearance off the rear of your Heco stove will be 18 inches, okay? So keep that in mind. So this little box item here is the heat shield that we are selling. This other heat shield that's on the rear of the stove, this is already built on. This is not optional, it comes with the stove. The heat shield that we are selling just mounts over the rear of the flue collar, okay? So your flue box on the rear of the stove, this is the heat shield that essentially reduces you down from 18 to 12 or potentially less if you were to have a full masonry application. I really hope that this video is helpful for you. I do try and show you guys every area, every part of the stove, the chimney pipe, and everything that you need to know in order to effectively run your wood cook stove or wood burning appliance. If these videos are helpful for you guys, please like them. Liking my videos helps me out so much. If you can share them with a friend, that's even better. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner. God bless. Have a wonderful day.